Alright, so welcome back. So now we're going to study another family member, the sixth chord. So let's do all the 1 to 6 movements in every key. We have this provided for you in the PDF study guide. Be sure to use it as a reference. 1 in the key of C to your 6, which is A minor in the key of C. Okay, key of F to D minor. Key of B flat to G minor. Key of E flat to C minor, key of A flat to F minor, key of D flat to B flat minor, key of G flat to E flat minor, key of B to A flat minor, key of E to C sharp minor, key of A to F sharp minor, key of D to B minor, and key of G to E minor. Okay? Remember, the whole concept is that you want to learn to hear these movements and be able to play them in every single key. So now let's practice a few songs, and let's see if we can start to recognize the movements we've been practicing. Alright, so the first one is a song called Freedom, and it's real popular. If you don't know it, you can look it up on YouTube. I believe Eddie James has a recording of it, but it's starts on your 1 chord. I'm gonna put a little bit of rhythm to it. You're on each one for 4 beats, but I'm not gonna just. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't see. All right, so 1, 5, 6, 4, 1.